Voter education bado ndiraheano uria yagirwo ni kuheano, it's thinly provided for. Na nikwe voter education heanagwo ni andu a IEBC kana andu a civil society, but IEBC ndio in charge of voter education. Maundu makere maria marauka ni ati kwina destructions ya property na ko damage posters ya candidates, andu magathie makarutania, which is not acceptable. Hena also horo wa political candidates being attacked, especially atumia na youth na also special interest group.
Before campaigns officially started, we also saw parties campaigning and also the conduct of harambes, which was outlawed at that time. So a continuous flouting of the electoral code of conduct and laws. And so one of the things we recommend strongly is that action needs to be taken by the various agencies on some of these offenses.